Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated motorhomes of the year, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome. Volvo has long been associated with premium quality, Scandinavian design, and cutting-edge safety. And in this 2026 motorhome, they've taken all those strengths to a whole new level. Whether you're an RV enthusiast or just love high-end automotive design, you're going to want to stick around for this detailed review. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome has a commanding presence on the road, blending bold aesthetics with sleek aerodynamic lines. It's built on Volvo's next-gen modular platform, which not only ensures stability, but also supports Volvo's full electric drivetrain. The front fascia features Volvo's signature Thor's Hammer LED headlights, now upgraded with matrix illumination for precise nighttime driving. The massive panoramic windshield provides an unmatched field of vision, while the retractable solar panels integrated into the roof help power onboard systems efficiently. The body panels are constructed from lightweight, carbon fiber reinforced aluminum, reducing overall weight without sacrificing durability. You also get an automated retractable awning, illuminated steps, and 22-inch alloy wheels that give the motorhome a luxury SUV-like stance. Moving inside, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is nothing short of stunning. The interior design captures the essence of Scandinavian minimalism, clean, open, and filled with natural light. Step inside and you're greeted by high-quality materials, from sustainably sourced wood trims to recycled leather seats. The front cockpit features Volvo's brand-new curved OLED touchscreen that wraps around the driver, giving access to navigation, climate, and entertainment systems via Volvo's updated UI. Behind the cockpit, the cabin opens up into a smart layout that comfortably accommodates 4 adults. There's a full kitchenette with an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, and hidden storage solutions. The dining area transforms into a guest bed, while the rear hosts a master suite with a queen-size memory foam bed, ambient lighting, and underfloor heating. One of the highlights of the interior is its integrated smart home system. You can control everything, from lighting and climate to window tints and security, via voice command or smartphone app. There's also a 4K projector with surround sound for those cozy movie nights. And yes, Volvo didn't forget about hygiene. The motorhome features a luxurious wet bath with a rainfall shower, touchless faucets, and an antimicrobial toilet that self-sanitizes after each use. Now let's talk about performance. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome is powered by a dual-motor all-electric drivetrain that delivers an impressive 580 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 60 in just 5.9 seconds. Unbelievable for a vehicle of this size. The battery pack is a 200 kilowatt unit with fast charging capability, offering a real-world range of around 600 kilometers or roughly 370 miles on a single charge. Thanks to Volvo's advanced torque vectoring and adaptive air suspension, the ride is not just smooth, it's exceptionally quiet and composed, even on rough terrain. Volvo has also gone above and beyond in terms of safety. The 2026 Motorhome includes the latest generation of Pilot Assist, blind spot monitoring, collision avoidance, 360-degree cameras, and even a drone surveillance feature that provides overhead security coverage when parked. This is arguably one of the safest and smartest motorhomes on the market today. Finally,